Sumatra. We visited a little bit in the north, Tangahan, and then the orangutans in Bukit Lawang, and now we're going to Java.
Java.
Hello, my name is Anna.
Hello.
I'm Polish. I'm from Polandia. Yes. But I live in Spain. And well, we left Austria. We are making a trip. We both live in Spain, and my friend Kasia, she lives in Poland. We get together and we are making this trip together. He's traveling 15 days, and we are staying in Indonesia like 21 days. And it's been a great adventure for us.
My name is Kasia. I'm also from Poland, and I live in Poland. I like it very much. Yesterday I found some orangutans. It was amazing for me.
Yeah, about orangutan. This is your first time to Indonesia?
Yes.
First time.
First time.
So it's been your visit to orangutans, and what is your comment about Bukit Lawang?
It's great. It's a really nice place. The views are amazing.
Is there something? That's something bad happened to you?
No. The people are very nice and
Very
helpful.
Yeah, we welcome because all the students, they will have an English camp. Usually the location we posted in Bukit Lawang. Maybe next year on February. If you have plans, we will come to invite you get some games. Usually what is the foreign games for students in Indonesia? Maybe it is the best way for students, especially giving how to increase their emotions using English. That's it.
And yes, and I mean practicing, right? Because for every, to learn every language, the best way is to practice, and not to be afraid if you make errors or something. Just talk, and people can correct you, and it doesn't matter. I mean, the most important thing is to practice.
Actually, frankly speaking, I want to say that my students are afraid to say one word per page. But because of mistake, they feel, oh no, this is wrong. So how can you have your plans? Maybe you 1 hour for you, it's your terms, it's your goals. So we just need your help to give them what is the angel wants for my students, that can be a story for them. After you're leaving this room and go back home to your country, they can say, what a wonderful day with you. Okay, maybe you have games or idea with them, so how to...
Bukit Lawang is a nice place because there's lots of tourists. You can practice a lot of English. It's full of tourists, so you can always have a tea with somebody and talk and practice your English.
Yeah.
Good place.
Yeah, good. Oke, saya kasih waktu Anda ya 1 jam ya bersama mereka, karena mereka juga akan berangkat ke Jakarta, harus ke Kuala Namu, karena jam 12 harus juga sampai 12 to be there. Ya, 1 jam.
Is the flight, so it will be like 1 hour before.
Oke, 30 menit, karena harus buru-buru by bus. Ya, jadi nggak lama, karena ini terburu sedikit kebetulan ya. Jadi silakan bertanya, mau apa yang ditanya, silakan mencoba. You can try yourself. Okay, raise your hand if you have a question, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello guys. I want to ask Josabi. You are from Spain. I want to ask how about the education in Spain. I just want to
What do you want to know about the education?
everything.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nanti yang bilang mati, mampus tabrak.
Have different schools, you can go to private and public schools. But you learn the same thing everywhere. Wherever you go, you learn the same thing. The government says you have to learn maths, you have to learn English, you have to learn Spanish, you have to learn this. No, only English. Only English. Spanish, because you're in Spain, and English. But English level in Spain is not very good. And then you have high school, the same thing. You've got private, you've got public, and then university, the same. And then university is the only place where you can choose what you want to learn.
I love La Liga, so I want to ask what is your favorite team?
Football.
I'm Madrid.
Awesome.
Barca.
Okay, you got it? Okay, any else? Anyone else? Okay, you. Yes, please. Yes, stand up.
You can speak in Indonesia?
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Very good. Very good.
Okay, yeah.
The names are difficult to remember. What is amazing?
Okay, any else? Raise your hands. Okay.
Hi guys, my name is Rangga. I just want to know, what do you think? What is most interesting place in Indonesia? What the place is most interesting in visit? May I know?
Okay.
Well, actually, it's a little bit complicated to answer this question because we have just started. We are at the beginning. Yeah. We are at the beginning. We are just leaving Sumatra, and then we are going to Java and to Bali and some other island maybe, like Lombok or something. So we have no personal experience. We have personal experience, more better saying, only about Sumatra. But from what we've seen, and like the European, yes, I could say that Sumatra, that maybe one of, what I expect is each of those islands will have this particular character, right? Like Sumatra is, we see very wild, at least the part we have visited, the northern Sumatra and the jungle and Kalimantan, and we still preserve the wood and the jungle, and this is appreciated. Yes.
give you a comment why you not go to Riau. In Riau, there is a river. You can surfing in the river. Yeah.
Riau.
In the Riau, you can surfing in the river. They call it is Bono. It's a big,
This new place
You can-
you're surfing.
you surfing in the river, just on Riau. Yes.
Besides, especially for those want to surf, they come and meet in Bono. The new ones. Go surfing. Maybe this, yeah, another time we can visit. Okay, nails? Yeah.
Hello, my name is Tatiana. I want to ask you, what do you think about Indonesia? Like that people study or researcher?
What do you think about Indonesia? Yeah, my student wants to ask what do you think of Indonesians? Indonesians. Maybe she wants to ask about Indonesia or people, yeah, food or everything.
The people, so far it's amazing. Everybody wants to help you, everybody wants to take photos with you, everybody's really nice. The food is incredible, it's super different from our food, but it's still super tasty, it's really nice. And Indonesia, the scenery, the views and everything, it's very beautiful. Everything is green, it's really nice. The weather, so far it's raining all the time.
Okay, any else? Yeah, come on now. Just speak up.
Why you think to study Indonesian language?
What did you try to study Indonesian language?
I think it's too difficult for us. And it's hard to remember all the words. I think for us it's too difficult.
I think never say never. I think because it's true that we are young and we don't know yet where we possibly will be or something. So never say never. Maybe one day we have to learn Indonesian.
Yeah, it's mean that mereka berusaha mencoba sama, but you must speak your second language because this is important for you in work. Yeah, jadi mereka harus punya second language. Yeah, this is important. But you, when you try to work in Indonesia, there is something like class. How about that? That's a simple one. Okay. Yeah. Ada lagi? Okay. Loud. Just speak loud.
Hello, my name is Nadia. I want to ask you, what is your special moment when you come to Indonesia and you never forget it?
Untuk siapa nih? Pertanyaan. Boleh pilih.
For all.
For. Okay.
For me, I was in Tangahan, watching and playing with the elephants. It was very, for me, it's something it's impossible to do in Europe. For me, this is something I'm going to remember.
Okay. You got it? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Any else? One up. Rest. Again. This is your turn. After. Okay. Yeah. One. Speak loud. Just speak loud.
Why you interest come here?
Why?
Why you interested in come here?
Yeah. Why? Why you choose this place to visit?
Well, for me, Indonesia was always my dream. Always. When I was a child, I remember I was like 9 or 10. My mother was buying a simple, newspaper with TV program, and on one of the pages there was always some article about the different places in the world, and I remember a photo and an article about Krakatau,
Yeah.
about the volcano. much, and I was thinking I have to go one day to Indonesia. I have to go one day to Indonesia. And later on, just a few years ago, I visited Thailand, and I like Asian Southeast so much. Last year, some friends came here, and I said this is it. I have to go.
Oh yeah, that's great. Give applause. Ada lagi. Come up. We have 15 minutes more. Ada lagi, masih ada waktu 5 menit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, yeah, speak loud. Just speak loud. To your patients. For who? Miss? For all. Okay, I think it's your chance.
What's like it in Indonesia?
Sorry?
Indonesia. What is like it in Indonesia?
What? Sorry?
What is life?
Oh yeah.
Like
It in Indonesia, what is it like?
It's really different from our country. It's amazing the feeling when you enter the jungle, for example. It's there's no such trees as here in Thailand. It's totally different, and culture, cuisine, food. People are smiling. Everyone is smiling. It's very music also.
Like the first time, the first impression is a little bit shock, okay? Because eventually we are different cultures. So if you grow up with some culture, you have your own customs. Yes, and if you come to this another part of the world, so far away, but so far away, with so different culture, it is a little bit shocked at the beginning, but later you see that we are all the same, we are all human beings, and people like here are so nice, and we are enjoying.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. For all questions come to maybe I still wonder about what's your age? I don't know. Yes. What's your age? Yeah. How old are you? 33 and
33.
Are you married? 30. Are you married? No. Yeah. They all single. This one, he is 30, so you have a chance. Want to propose? Please. Today it's your time to propose. Yeah.
Guys, may I know what your jobs in the country?
I used to work with the windmills to create energy. I don't know if you ever heard of them. Windmills.
Windmill.
You cut the wind, and this machine turns with the wind, and it generates electricity.
It's like in Netherlands.
Yeah, same thing.
Okay.
I work in the same company as Shadow. Yes, we used to work together. I was working in logistics.
Logistics. Okay.
For the company.
Yeah, same company.
Pekerjaan
Okay.
tambah bayi.
Come on.
Export manager in Polish. Many are exporting goods from Polish to Kazakhstan.
So you're the manager, export manager. Okay. You wanna ask her? How's the manager? Miss Tasha is the manager.
Tasha, I heard you spend time. How you spend time in Indonesia? For days?
How many days?
Yeah, how many days?
4 days.
4 days.
So far.
So far, 4 days. We have
4 days. This is a little but may I know how much you spend money vacation in Indonesia for 4 days? How much? Okay.
It's okay, but we have to count. Remember, but we try to save money because we don't have a lot. So we are choosing rather cheap hotels.
Are you a backpacker?
Yes.
I like it. I will be backpacker sometime.
Karena you join with they are
Maybe sometime after I finish my study here.
When
Yes.
when will you finish?
Maybe around 2 years again.
Well, yeah, I think time is over for our guests. So we have the party there, and maybe you can take a photo together. And but before that, please, we want to keep some. Yeah. Just say something like LP3I. So it is one. Yeah, this one. Say that. Oh, yel-yel. Ada yang mau ngajarin yel-yel? Ada yang mau ngajarin yel-yelnya? Ya. Ada. Siapa? Kakak senior. Iya. Silakan.
Salamnya ada.
Penuh satu layar.
Cara yang baik itu fokus sedekat harus.
I'm here to teach you about our greeting like that ya. If I say apa kabar LP3I, can you say it?
Apa kabar
Apa kabar LP3I? Apa kabar LP3I?
Yes.
Kalian jawab ya. Next, second is untuk siapa LP3I? Untuk siapa LP3I? And then the last LP3I. That's LP3I. Yes. The first. Apa kabar LP3I? Okay. Let's start ya. Let's start ya. You say that apa kabar LP3I? Apa kabar LP3I?
Untuk siapa LP3I?
Untuk Indonesia.
LP3I.
Bergengsi pasti.
Oke, mungkin kita mau foto tapi tidak bisa semua ya, bagi-bagi. Waktunya hanya ada 3 menit. Jadi sekali maju sebagian-sebagian di sini kumpulnya.
Junior dong. Masa senior?
Rangga.
Ya, iya yang cowok-cowok dulu di sini ya. Silakan. Di depan ya, duduk depan ngadap ke sana. Duduk di depan ngadap ke sana.
Ke bawah. Dikasih sama Pak Santo.
Udah ngerekam ini kan?
Sebagian boleh berdiri di belakang, sebagian boleh berdiri di belakang.
Siap dah. Guys.
Di video? Iya. Hah? Iya. Video. Kok video? Jangan video.
Yang foto sana aja.
Kenapa? Nggak tahu aku. Ya tahu yang banyak. Nanti lah masih foto.
Once again.
Ini lah yang penting.
Oh ya.
Ini. Freakless. Freakless. Aneh namanya. Say cheese.
Dokumentasi, nah.
Ini video.
Ya udah dokumentasi.
Suara.
Nanti masih ada acara.
Gantian.
Cowoknya duduk dulu, cowok.
Iya, kayak mundur dulu mau foto itu. Mana enggak ada yang mana? Agus. Pegang Mas. Enggak mau dia. Apa siapa? Ridwan ada dokumentasi, pegang apa dulu?
Ya, silakan. Ya. Enggak suka ini. Ya, yang perempuannya. Silakan perempuannya. Cepat. Berapa itu tadi? Cepat. Jangan apa udah cepat. Depan sebagian belakang ada.
Udah.
Yang mau.
Baru. Udah lagi jalan ini. Nah, 27 24. Enggak apa-apa, suruh rekam itu, suruh rekam ke bawah. Pegang dulu, kan dokumentasi ini.
Silakan.
Martin.
Lagi. Oh, dari sana dulu.
Pegang dulu.
Lagi itu lagi cepat. Silakan maju.
Dam, pegang dulu. Dah. Dam, pegang bentar Dam. Pegang aja udah ngerekam ini.
Ten, awas lah situ Ten. Ngapain nggak situ Ten?
Ikut aja nih.
Mas Gen. Oke. Yang ini. Oke, lagi. Lagi.
Udah. Dokumentasi dong.
Nah, paling tinggi pula itu. Gimana apanya? Udah itu.
Udah mandi kan?
Foto. Bang, jangan bang.
Oke, ada lagi kemana? Ada lagi cepat, hurry up. Udah cepat maju. Ini yang terakhir ya.
Terus dia galau. Galau dia gitu galau.
Iya.
Rusak. maaf.